What we got here, we got a beautiful gate. Obviously, we're oceanfront. Houses are burned around. This is a non-combustible material. This is what your client wanted.
Yeah, this neighborhood got really beat up by the Palisades fire. 240 houses in this neighborhood, 170 burned, and not burned because people were installing fuses and not fences. What I mean with a fuse is a wood fence where there happens to be a fire somewhere on the premises. The wooden fence burns and the fire just walks down along the fence, ignites the house, and the house is gone.
And talk about fire ignition, Zone 0 approved material. What Zone 0 approved is even meaning, anything touching the house and 5 feet out has to be a non-combustible material. And from Globus and now Globus, every single material is non-combustible, will be insurance approved, will pass any inspection. And these customers are fed up with all the mess that happened and they want the real thing. They don't want fake gates. They want a gate that's going to have a logo like we have. We take responsibility from the factory standpoint. But they want a gate that actually has a frame if someone's watching. Arno? Yeah. So why we do this? So imagine these are your jambs and then the top and bottom is empty, just hold by a slat. That's not a gate. That's two jambs hold by slats.
It's just destined to
sag immediately. I would say it sagged on the day of install.
And it's no wonder that a company that does that doesn't put their logo on the gate.
They don't want to put their logo.
That their fence will have problems over time.
Right.
We know that our fence will not have problems over time, and we know that people love our fences, walk up to the fence and want to know who made them.
We want to know who made the gates, and it's not only one company. There's numerous companies that are coming up with these DIY, flimsy, cheap gates. And it's sad because our pride in our factory and how we do everything, our engineering, our diapers.
There are very few companies like Globus who actually extrudes their own material on American ground in Florida and takes the material through a 7-step chemical cleaning process.
So, yeah, we almost demolished the camera. So
you're not big enough. You need a little water to grow.
Yes, I need a little bit more. Yeah, you too. So bottom line, what we're talking here, we want to educate you. It's fine that other gates and fence manufacturers do it the way they do, but if you're going to pay the money you're going to pay, you want to know what you're getting. And with Globus, you're going to get gates with frames.
And that's why you want to build. You want to visit the factory.
Yep, you want to know what you're getting.
Because a high quality fence is a substantial investment.
Yep.
So you want to have the opportunity to visit the factory to see what you're getting. And if you talk with a fence guy who doesn't have a factory or doesn't want to see you in the factory, that's a reason to be very suspicious.
That's the question mark over your head. Obviously, it's just a gate and fence, but it's investment for your property. These are big jobs. We got 200 feet fence here, we got gates. And talking about gate frames, you want to know it has a gate frame, top and bottom, or 45 like our HD. Our HD is our extra mile, one of the strongest gates in America. I would say the strongest.
If you have a 7-year-old, 10-year-old that bangs their bike through the gate and abuses the gate, then you want to have a heavy duty.
Look at the sound. Doesn't even sound.
No,
it sounds like a
iron.
tank. Like iron. It's crazy.
It's aluminum, but it sounds like iron because it's so thick and strong.
Yep, that's the response we get actually in the factory. When people come in this is a metal gate. No, it's straight extrusion, engineered to last. And our universal system does a great job because it does have a top and bottom frame. And I believe
it's still designed to withstand the elements.
Sure.
It's just designed to withstand the abuse this guy can take.
Not abuse. Elements of a daily gate and fence, but not abuse. So if you want systems that are engineered, proven, factory proven, 7-stage powder coating, watch that video. You're living environment like this we see in the beach, call Globus and Arno will come to your house.